West Knoxville Middle School still rebuilding after suffering damage from an EF2 tornado that touched down on the campus last summer. WATE 6 on Your Side reporter Naomi Hilmer joins us now live in the studio to explain the unique way one former student is giving back to his school. Naomi.
Don, William Patterson graduated from Tate's middle school last year, and after seeing the condition this tornado left his once beautiful campus, he wanted to help restore it by replanting their trees.
We just seen all this destruction, and it really hurt me because I've gone to school here for 11 years, and it's just really meant a lot to me to come back and rebuild what was here.
William Patterson decided this year, as part of his Eagle Scout project, he would replant Tate's school apple orchard.
It's really important because it helps you learn about doing work in the real world, and I just felt like this was the right place to do it because I've gone to school here for so long, and it's really made an impact on my life.
His plan to replace the apple trees they lost, then add a variety of fruit trees as well, planting 9 in total.
He offered to help rebuild our orchard and rebuild our trees, and it was so touching, but it was so William.
Tracy Van Hook, the director of resources, says unlike a typical middle school, Tate's school emphasizes outdoor learning.
So a part of our curriculum each year is to harvest the apples. The kids all prep the apples, peel the apples, and then they make applesauce for the whole campus.
Being out here at this school is really about nature, and we would eat lunch sometimes out under these trees and play in the field, and it was just really a really big part of the school.
And since this private school made such a big impact on his life, he wanted to preserve the environment for generations to come.
I think it'll really inspire them that things can regrow, especially in this Easter season about rebirth. And I think they'll just be really inspired, and they'll come back, and maybe they'll be inspired to do something themselves.
Before today's project, Patterson had already replanted 3 willow trees by their campus pond, and he said he is excited to see the campus come back to life. Don?
Naomi, thank you. What a great example. Now, the school also tells us they hope to bring back their orchard picking curriculum by fall, and hopefully they will have even more apples in the following years thanks to this project.